That was stupid. How's it going? That was stupid too. Almost. Almost. Yeah. All right. Good evening. Good evening. Let's keep going. Let's not even explain what we're gonna do. Let's just do it. All right, fine. I'll explain as I go. So I'm still on caves. Darkwood, how's it going? Finsifty, hello. Finsifty, you had a mega stream today. You went for like 8 hours. You got a crazy raid there at the end. That was cool. Good stuff. Oh, wait. Okay. Whew. Yeah, that's a long one. That's a long one. I really like the clip. I might get rid of it. It doesn't do it for me anymore. This music is driving. Just lower it a bit. All right. Yeah. So I added some of this clutter stuff, but I'm realizing that these holes, they can be in any random position in different levels. So I don't think I can really add this to the other levels. Yeah, we're never normally on that late, so Charlie can't raid. So it's nice of him to think of me. That is nice of him. I never watched that guy. I've seen him a couple of times. I've been in channels that raided him, and then, I don't know. Just never hung out there. He's in the same city. Oh, cool. Let's check this out. Wait, what happened to the music? I feel like I didn't lower it that much. It's just gone. If I were a good streamer, I'd like wear headphones and listen to what you hear. Nope. I am not putting headphones on for 6 hours at a time or 4 hours at a time. I refuse. All right, is the green too weird in a cave? Or should I not care? Like, I kind of don't care. So this little green, it adds like a nice variety. We got the player light going. Skydriver, how's it going? Thank you for the hydrate. How do you tolerate the oppressive silence? I mean, I hear the music, but I have my mic settings. Basically, it only picks up this, and I have the speakers really low. So if I'm not talking, you can't actually hear the audio coming out of my my laptop speakers. I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Skydriver. How are you doing? So down here, there's no... 2XP Games, how's it going? Welcome in. Augie. Good day to you, Augie. This is big brain stuff. I'm not sure I'm ready. What do you mean? Like not having to wear headphones? You uploaded the video. Nice. Is that it? You're done? You mean this song? Yeah, I don't know what did I pick? Let's go just go to need something safe. Final Fantasy is safe. You only uploaded to YouTube. Haven't submitted application. All right, what do you got? You got 2 days, 3 days left. Get it in there. Well, this is ugly. What does it look like full screen? Oh, it looks fine. Okay. I made these inventory slot icons a long time ago, and I'm starting to hate them. I do want to see. Send it to me. Send it to me. I always want to see. This is a sharing community, so everyone who's in there, everyone who's here right now, I want to see what you're working on. Send me your stuff. Eight minutes. All right, we're going to skip around. Look at that depth of field. Oh, I skipped the effect. Yeah, we like Augie over here. We like Augie's art style. I want to see that waterfall. Oh, the climb. Look at that water. So good. Fuzzy grass. Cute little jump. Can the flame jump over this stuff? Or does the flame not have a jump? Oh, but there's daylight there. That's right. How do you calculate what's in light and what's not? Do you just have a blueprint that knows if it's illuminated? You raycast. Oh. You just raycast like up or raycast toward in the same or in the opposite direction as the sun, and if you don't hit something, you're good? Or if you do hit something, you're good? Very long raycast toward the sun. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. You did it. We traversed. This looks great. Uh-oh. What happens here? I don't even know what happens here. I left the blinks. Ah, I need to do blinks. Damn it. Should I add the blinking characters to the game right now? Wait, can he go into artificial light or is it only sunlight? You can't go into artificial light either. That's a funny challenge you've created for yourself. You basically have to, I mean, you don't have to, but the main parts of your game, or like the majority of your game, is ambient lit. Like you can, it's hard for you to use lighting because moonlight's fine. Oh, so you can do like, so it's always going to be like a blue directional. I guess that's true. Subscribe, like. Should I unlike it? Do you want likes on this thing? Doesn't matter. All right, so I'm pretty happy with the caves. I'm like so burnt on caves. It's been 2 weeks, maybe even more. It's time to move on. Time to move on. What do we got? Steam Farm Fest is in 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm like, I don't think I could do a trailer by then. Not sure. Trying to decide if I make YouTube shorts. Should I make them on my personal channel or on the studio channel? It's hard to start from scratch, so I don't know. You might want to just use your personal. I use my personal for everything, and my studio account is literally just the trailer. I don't know. I feel like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't have the answers. It would be from scratch regardless. Okay. Can I? All right, should I do any of these other things? Visitor center, make displays, guests, hotspots. Hotspots, dialogue, rewards, locations. Okay, there's one thing I want to do. I have a mechanic where you tell a guest, like, hey, go do this. I recommend this. But the guest doesn't do it right away. What I want is I want the guest to do it right now. Like, do it ASAP. So I need to follow the breadcrumb trail. Follow the breadcrumb trail. Guest. It's the guest script. And let's just make sure I finished whatever I was working on here. Vegetation spawner. Yeah, sure. Transaction manager. Okay, the compass shows, compass effects, spawning stuff. Yep. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We did a lot. We did a lot, and it's done. Need to go buy some stuff for mom's birthday tomorrow. Nice. Happy birthday, mom. Thanks for stopping by. And good luck on the application. Fill that out. Fill it out now. Ooh, this is a long script. This got big. I wonder if there's a way for me to shorten this. This got really big. 1,000 lines of code. It's pretty complicated, the guest's AI. So, recommend hotspot. Suggested hotspot. Here we go. Suggested hotspot. Where do I set it? I set it in the guest interactable. Suggested hotspot. All right. Bumblebite. You got e-drinks and a whole week of coding. Nice. What are you working on? What does the week entail for you? Also, welcome in. It's almost like I want to throw an event that I set this. Or, oh, I want to tell the guests. I want a setter. That's what I want. Public void set suggested hotspot. And then we'll say hotspot. Hotspot. E-drinks sounds dangerous. Yeah, don't drink electronics. Are you sure you're not drinking liquid coolant? Don't do that. Suggested hotspot equals hotspot. Okay. Now I need to basically, I don't want to stop them from doing anything, but I want to make sure that they can do this next. Like maybe if it's early enough and they've already done a hotspot, they can do 2. Because I limit hotspots to 1 a day per guest because that's, there's just not enough time for them to run out and run back. But if it's before a certain time, even if they've done 1, maybe I increase their max. So let's see if I can do that. Still in the chunk allocation over here. We'll probably be done with the meshes and some prototype code removal. So yeah, you said last time you're working on pooling chunks, but you never said what you were pooling, unless I missed it. In which case, I'm sorry. But what are you working on where you're pooling level chunks? What kind of game? I'm assuming a large exploration game. Pulling bites, obviously. Zeke also. How's it going, Zeke? You just slip in there with a joke. I forget to greet you. It happens all the time. I'm just lazy to write energy during. Yep, level chunks. You were too lazy to even put the K there. I do just randomly show up. Yeah, I guess anytime anyone ever shows up, it's random. You doing good? That's great. I'm doing good too. I'm looking forward to going out tonight. So I was supposed to go out last night, but my wife had to work late. And I ended up going to a bar by myself, a really fancy bar. And I got a couple of cocktails, and one of them was a corn Manhattan. It was a burnt corn Manhattan, where they made a Manhattan. And I've seen this a lot where, you torch something and you put the glass upside down and you let the smoke fill up in the glass. But I've never seen it with corn. They basically take a slice of cob, So there's one ring of corn with the cob also. So they're all attached to the cob. Fire it up and then smoke the glass with the corn. It was crazy. It was really good. Have I been to Luida's bar yet? No, what's that? Chiyoda City. Is this a good one? Oh, that's right next to Akihabara. Oh, that's right next to the Final Fantasy Cafe. Wait a minute. Is that the Final Fantasy Cafe? Dragon Quest themed. Oh, okay. Right next door is the Final Fantasy themed cafe. And so my friends who were visiting a couple days ago, They asked me yesterday or 2 days ago if I wanted to go to the Final Fantasy bar with them, but I was just too busy. And he only went for like 10 minutes, so it would have been really silly for me to go up there. I never get into Dragon Quest. Dragon Quest is huge here. Dragon Quest is the biggest RPG here. Like that slime character is everywhere. The main tiny idea is to do something prettier than blocks and ability to travel more than 30,000 blocks. So is it, are you doing 2D or 3D? You said models, so I'm assuming 3D. 30,000 blocks? That sounds big. So go to hotspot. This gets fired when the guest reaches the hotspot. And if we've reached the suggested hotspot, we null it out here. Okay. And that's it. So the other places that care are the inn, register hotspot. So they do it if it's greater than this. Wait, if relative hour in day is greater than 18, so we don't do it. Okay, so this is the time fault. Like we get out of here if it's not enough time. Guest.suggested hotspot equals null. If there's a suggested hotspot, we request register specific hotspot. Where do I check if I can register a hotspot? This is in the inn. We gotta go back. We gotta keep going back. Register specific hotspot. Here we go. This is where we ask the guest, can set hotspot. Oh, do I already do this? So we can't do it if the schedule.count is greater than get current day minus check-in day. That's a really bad calculation. Basically, I say like if the character's been here for 2 days, they can do 2 hotspots, but I really wanted it to just be 1 a day. I'll just say if hotspot equals suggested hotspot, return true. Just do it. Can set hotspot. And let's go back. I want to make sure that I'm only doing the hotspot. $30 million. Oh my God. Probably in an ad. I'll wait. By the way, did you like our stream title on Wednesday? We taught Falonir something about Godot. What was the stream title on Wednesday? That's 2 days ago. I barely remember your stream title from today. Gearglass47, how's it going? How you doing? Yeah, what the hell was your title? I don't look at titles. I get your at everyone in the channel as soon as I wake up. Or in your Discord, and I pop right in. Waiting for Godot, but it took too long, so we're using it. Oh, I do remember that. I do remember that. Also, Bumble, you said it's 3D and you're exploring Godot performance with 30 million blocks. Okay, that's crazy. That's a lot of blocks. How do you even sort that much data? Obviously, it's procedurally generated. That sounds crazy. And is it a voxel game? I heard Fallon here. What's happening? I don't know. I haven't seen Fallon here yet today. And I don't mean just here. I haven't seen him anywhere on Twitch. Throughout the whole Twitch universe. Usually I run into him many times every day. It's kind of nice. I hope he's okay. All right, so here's the thing I want to do. Register. Okay, I did it already. Why don't I bow out of oh, I do. Return true. So if this succeeds, I return. Okay. Okay, this is good. So this is step 1, which is make sure we can do more than one hotspot in a day. It's great. We can always do the suggested one if the time is right. Now I need the I need to make sure that this is always register hotspot first when there's a suggested one. So here, this is what this function is: register guest activity. It's a list of functions that take in a guest, an activity type, and a bool. I don't remember what the bool is, but it's what it does. Wait, what the hell's the bool? Why do I have that? I don't even know. Whatever. Oh, wait, the bool is something that just always needs to be there, I think. So these are the different things that guests can do. They can purchase items. They can do a private room activity. They can go to a hotspot. They can go to the next available public activity. Or they can use the next available item activity. Sneaks through a secret passage in the cave. Connie, how did you find the secret passage? I just added it today. Connie, how's it going? And then I shuffle all these things. I shuffle them up. And then I cycle through them and I do the first one that's available, the first one that works, because they all return bools. So this seems pretty easy. All I need to do here is if guest dot suggested hotspot does not equal null, just do register hotspot. Return true. Okay. Perfect. Secret passage. Yeah, there's secret passages. Not rendered all the time. Yeah, an extended coordinate structure is required. I went with block byte. Chunk int 24 for now. Thank you for that. Should I just play that on loop instead of having music? I've been thinking about it. Connie, I hope you're doing well. Guten Morgen. Oh, I'm not pronouncing. I can't pronounce that. Yeah, of course. You deserve it. Everyone should be clicking that follow button if they're not already. So this is all right. This is step 2. Always do a suggested thing. Step number 3 is to make sure. Step number 3 might be to like interrupt the character from doing whatever they're currently doing. Should I do that? I want feedback. Maybe I just make the character say like, "Cool, I'll do it. I'll do it after I get out of the hot tub or maybe they say, "Cool, I'll check that out." And if it's after a certain time, I can say, "Cool, I'll check that out later." Or I'll check that out tomorrow. Wait, what? Why are you all so awesome? I understand why the people outside of the doors are like that when all the awesome people are here in the software category. What? You're awesome. I mean, when we all go outside, all bets are off. The niceties drop. And we just walk around swinging at people. That's what I do. I see a random person on the street, I'm swinging. I get all my niceties out on stream. You know? It's like, you know how they have those rage rooms now where you can like pay money to just smash bottles and just swing baseball bats at stuff? We need the opposite too. We need a comfy room where you just sit and have a tea party or something. I'll do something useful and jump in the shower. Be back in a bit. Connie, no playing peeping. Wait, Jesus. enjoy your shower. All right, all right. Am I going to be able to interrupt the guests or start a conversation? Let's see. Guest interactable. No, not this again. Not this again. I don't know why that happens. Dialogue, rewards, and locations. Yeah, I want the characters to give rewards when they have a 5-star stay. I need to figure that out. Make displays. Ugh. Should I just say fuck it and release the demo? Not do all this stuff? Just pare it back. I kind of want to. This game's getting big. Send it. Grumble. How you doing, Grumble? Very nice stream today. I came for the scavenger too, but you know, settled for Megabat. It was good. It was still good. Yeah, I was saying I love how fast you can throw a level together. Like, I need a way to paint these things in a grid. I don't have the ability to do that. I downloaded an asset pack that would let me do that. But it was so cumbersome. It was easier to just do it manually. Polyglot programmer. Good morning. Three? That's nice. What a nice, cute streak. It's adorable. It's not as embarrassing as my 7 streak. I lost my train of thought. What was I doing? Oh, right, guests. When a guest... Wait, why isn't VS Code opening? Oh, wow. Double streak. You guys are cool. You guys are nice. It was good. I have to really force myself to jump back into section 2 work. I'm honestly overloaded with how much work is left. Well, what do you got on your list? Is it all about making new levels, or are you still figuring out like enemy AI? Because I don't know, it seems like you have so much content. It's just about like making level after level after level. Okay, hotspot button selected. That's that. So an event gets thrown, and the guest interactable is awaiting a hotspot suggestion. That's terrible. Why is it here? Why is it in the interactable? Await hotspot suggestion. If I cancel, is this still awaiting? Ooh, that's a weird bug. If I cancel out of the conversation. Yeah, this is called in the this is called in the dialogue system. I found a bug and I didn't even realize. For some reason, level design is difficult for me. I think I create too many things to work with. Huh. I totally get that. I can empathize with you. End functions called by system message from dialogue. So is this one. Oh, yeah, functions called via send message from dialogue. Await hotspot suggestion. Okay, I need to throw in a function that's canceled hotspot suggestion. And then because if I go to every other NPC and I keep canceling and then I tell one guest to do something, they're all going to do it. They're all awaiting. They're all going to get that event. That was dumb. Matt. Let's see. UI. Map canvas. Map selection marker? No. Scroll view. Map. Tiny button. Here we go. On click. So I basically need if this canvas closes, so on open, on first selected, on close, on cancel button. Oh, I already do something. On cancel close. What do we do? I don't know. Map menu, map canvas. Map menu manager. On cancel close. So I also need to throw an event that says we cancel closed this GUI. Stop listening for suggestions. So we have hot spot button selected. We want location event type hotspot suggestion canceled equals 8. I hate this. I hate it so much. Location event dot trigger hotspot canceled. Oh, what? Null, 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 null. Wait, is that normal? These are just all null. I guess so. Have you explored the possibility of a wave function collapse feature to make levels? Wave function collapse. What is that? Heard of it. Wave function collapse. No pictures? I am a visual person. Ah, video. Get out of here, voice. Show me the goods. It's at the end, right? There's something. So he's making levels like that. Well, that's cool for the caves. I don't have procedural caves everywhere though. Oh my god, I thought this channel was going to be in Japanese. Cabrero, what is up? How you doing? What are you doing right now? What are you doing awake? It's late. Yo, yo. Cabrero. Do you want to show off your photography? Do you want to send me a link so I can look at it? Cabrero's, he did a cool gallery showing recently. You give it rules which tiles can be put together, and then give it an initial tile and try to solve the rest within a given rule set. You have nothing new, all on Instagram. Drop your Instagram link so people can see. And if you want, only if you want. Too long to remember. That wasn't that long. Oh, the too long for the video. Yeah, yeah. It looks interesting. If I ever need to do procedural generation, it's probably a better solution than what I'm doing. I don't know, because caves, so fractals or noise functions work well for caves. It's possible for the forest, because I will have other levels. Billy! Billy! Welcome in, Billy. Thank you for the follow. That is the summary of wave function collapse. It's very nice for organic levels with paths. Yeah, so I might need that actually for my trail system, because I want to bring it back. I want to bring back the trail system. How you doing, Billy? Welcome in. Have a seat. We're making we're doing some polish. My goal right now is to just get a build up before tomorrow, because Practical NPC is going to play the game tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern, something like that. I don't know. So I just want a nice fresh build that functions. Doing great. Working on my project right now. Building out a room booking system. Wait a minute. A room booking system. That sounds like innkeeping. Are you making innkeeper software and or an innkeeper game? Because if you are, we need a chat. I'm making an Innkeeper game. And we need to chat in a good way, because I like that. I like more Innkeeper games. We need more of them. It's for meeting rooms and such. Oh, okay. Like real life software. Oh, like booking a room, booking a meeting room. Like, okay, I see, I see. That sounds like a fun project. Is it for like school, or is it a real project? And I don't mean like a real. I mean, is it going to be used, or are you doing it as an assignment? Sounds like something fun to make, actually. It's for your job. Okay, cool. I like making systems like that. You know, I basically had to make Innkeeper software with this stuff. You know, I have this whole booking system. I got a calendar. It's ridiculous how close of a functioning Innkeeper software like framework that I made. It's kind of stupid. Okay. I think this is the best I can do for now for more instant feedback. I can do one better. I can do one better. Let's say the guest is on their way to let's say the guest is on their way to an activity. I can cancel it and make them do that instead. That's what I'm going to do. Only dev in the company so far. 45,000 lines in my code base, still going so far. Been working on it for 2 years. Damn. That's a big project. All right, so how can I tell if we're doing an activity? Let's say cancel activity. Cancel activity. Unregistered current activity. Force idle state. Activity complete. Does that work? Yeah, that sounds like a bit more than just booking rooms. Cancel activity. Should we try it? I feel like this doesn't work. Unregister current activity. Current activity, unregister. Clear activity items. Okay. Force idle state. Activity complete equals true. Interrupted. Hmm. I played this week. I'm going to pass out. Good seeing you. We'll catch up soon. Alpine Lake for life. Have a good night. Have a good night. Okay. I'm going to try this. I don't know how it's going to work. So set suggested hotspot. We're going to set the suggested hotspot and then cancel whatever we're doing. I don't think this is going to work. Consists of 10,000 Express backend with Microsoft Calendar implementation, which already takes up like 40% of it. And then the rest is divided by a room booking web app and a dashboard for management, so it's quite large. Yeah, I would imagine the dashboard is very large. The code that like does stuff is probably pretty small. The code related to doing the thing that the goal of the software. I'm going to see if I can find some more time to play today. Really enjoy the hour I had to play a couple days ago. Darkwood, seriously, thank you for playing. And I'm surprised how far you got in an hour. Most of those notes, I think I already knew. Let me see. Yeah, I've seen all of those. Three of those notes are fixed already. All the icons are fixed. Certain characters are invisible on character name input. That I'm not sure what to do about. My font does not support those characters. When meeting Vic, the block is viewed. Yeah, that's, I don't know. The cameras when you're inside. Yeah, it's annoying when they go behind the walls, isn't it? A typo in Jeff's dialogue. Ooh, I gotta change that. I'm gonna change that right now, actually, the typo. Yeah, indeed. Most of it's just necessary crap. Hey, thanks for the info. I assumed it was something like that, but now you verify that. I'm confused. Which info? So which conversation was it? Jeff's dialogue for entering the forest. Not suitable. Whoops. Suitable. Suitable. There we go. Ah, right. All right. Fix the bug. Well, I wouldn't say bug, but yeah, this tree in the room thing. I don't know why it does that. It really shouldn't. There are checks and balances that I don't know how that tree is happening. Maybe it's because foundation only has a build blocker. Build blocker should be enough to block it though. Let's see. Maybe it's not. If I go into the tree entity tree, biome tree, a seed entity. Free spots, total spots. Progress biome. Biome area. Spot map. Positions.add. Here we go. I look for colliders and I check for a blocker. A build blocker is a blocker. It's a blocker. Maybe it's not hitting the ground. Wait a minute. How tall is this? Wait, it's point. Okay. We're going to say it's 0.1 and it's 0.2 tall. It's 0.1 in height and it's 0.2 tall. That means it's 0.2 units off the ground. This is making a box at the spot, which is on the ground. And it's making it 0.45. Ooh, what if I make this 0.4999? That might fix it. It's unlikely, but it might. Blocker found. Try get component blocker. This might fix that bug. We'll see. A tile. Whoa, what is that? Why does that have a little icon? Is a tile like a Unity type that does this custom icon? That's interesting. Yeah, there's a lot around it. Like in our case, we have customer management. Like we can manage partners and customers, and partners can also manage their own customers. Then you can still have user, building, room, device, product, feature, calendar management, and still have it implemented things like reporting, billing, licenses, dashboards, device preview, and other features. That's so much. Also, roles forgot about that one, so also really important. Oh God. I can understand normal people want all that. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna hope that fixes it, and if I see it again, I'll deep dive. And it's just the tip of the iceberg, really. That sounds complicated. I can see how it's a 2-year project. All right, so did we finish this? I think we did. So now the suggested don't... No, wait. No. We didn't finish writing this. So we throw the cancel, right? We don't listen for it. If e.event type equals cancel. If awaiting suggestion equals, if we're awaiting one, let's just make it false. It's false no matter what. Oh, look at that. I actually do. I say thank you. Look at that. I already start a conversation. They say thank you. What I can say is if it's a certain time, say certain things. I want to say certain things. Generic response, I'll check that out. Or generic response, I'll check that out tomorrow. Okay. Let me just one thing at a time, Andrew. Focus. It's just false. Doesn't matter. If we cancel out of that window, everyone should just not await a suggestion anymore. Okay. So I need two more generic responses. I'll check that out tomorrow. Or I'll check it out today. And I want a few options. So generic response. Thanks. Okay, I have like 5 different thank yous here. I'll duplicate this one. Duplicate conversation. So now this one's called check. No, not check out. I already have things called checkout. Let's say hotspot suggestion. Post hotspot suggestion. How about that? We'll say that sounds fun. That sounds interesting. Ooh, I'll check that out soon. Oh, wow. I'll make sure to go there. That could be fun. There we go. And then I just want the same ones, but like about tomorrow. Oh, maybe I can do a time check. I'll just do a time check here. So create shell node. Can I get the time? I feel like I have a function that's get time. I have no idea where it is though. I would have put it in the time manager, right? Who thinks I would have put the time checker in the time manager? All bets are off. Get expiration date string. I just want to get hour. Lua.register function. Get hour. Get relative hour in day. Get method. Unregister function. Oh, but I have to there's a way to like tell this it's got an integer return value. I forget how. Shoot. Let's just find another time when we do this. Get number of free slots. So, oh, here we go. String. Oh my God. Oh, these are... Wait, what? What? Symbol.extensions. Add item, remove item. Get number of free slots. That's a double. Get number of filled slots. Which one returns an int? None of them? Find item index. Man, it's Friday night. Or Friday morning. Anyone have any good weekend plans? Oh, I've missed a bunch of chatter. Ensuring quality and high performance is hard one with all the booking data and such. I would imagine. I get exhausted just thinking about that, Billy. I should be doing level chunks. Yeah, sometimes game dev is way easier than like enterprise software because it just has to work. It kind of just has to work. It just has to work this tiny amount. And then you can expect a bunch of behavior from the player and then only make it work that much. Enterprise software, I feel like it's got to be complicated. It's got to work in a billion different ways. It's got to be scalable. That's one that games don't always have to be so scalable. It's good to be scalable, but it just doesn't have to be. You graduated 3 years ago, and this was the first job I got. Some junior dev without guidance from seniors. Oh no. Also, no organizational structure. So I have no proper idea of what is done and what not. And I am not allowed to spend too much time on it either. Oh, wait, then what are you supposed to be spending your time on? What is a good code base? To me, it's when there's obvious parts that separate from each other. No unused methods and a sense of logic on any feature. Gonna code. My baby mama has my kid this weekend. Just me and the chunks and you guys. Sometimes those weekends are nice. Just you and the code. I know I register a function that's not a double. Does it have to be a double? So here I do a bunch. Set conversation, force conversation, is, has, get NPC location. So this returns a bool. I guess it doesn't matter what it returns. It just... Yeah, maybe it doesn't matter. But these are getters. So I need to do the getter style. I just need this here. Public int. Get relative hour and day. It doesn't take anything. And then current time dot get relative hour in day. Return that. Okay, done. Right? We're done? Are we done here? I don't know what the difference between these two are. Any C# experts know what the difference between these two things are? Symbol extensions dot get method info or type of time system dot get method. I don't think there is a different, like a true difference between these. I just have to spend time programming and show my progress. That's all. Got to keep documentation minimal. Can't write out diagrams, no design setup, or any document that outlines all the features and rules that have been decided on. That sounds really difficult. Get relative hour in day. Okay. So now in the dialog extensions, custom Lua functions, scripts, conditions. Condition functions. I guess we want to add one more. It's called get relative hour and day. It's going to be time. Parameters. It has none, and it returns a double. Oh, it has to return a double. I guess I've never returned a number before. Okay, whatever. It's a double now. Yeah, it's kind of like asking a newbie to make a cake without giving him a recipe or let him take notes on the steps he took. Why? What do you mean you can't write documentation? You're just not allowed, or there's just no time? All this is just so I can have this one little line. So make a link. Make a link. Each one of these conversations will come to here. We'll check what time it is. No. Custom, there we go. Time-based, get relative hour and day. If it is greater than 18, which is the last moment you can do a hotspot, if it's greater than 18, we'll say you know what? Okay. I don't want to actually, it doesn't make sense. That sounds fun. I'll do that tomorrow. Oh, wow. I'll make sure to go there. See, some of these don't make sense with like an extra thing at the end. So I'll make link here. I'll make this a high priority, so it always checks this first. There we go. High priority, above normal. So it always checks this first. If this is after 18. And we'll just create a bunch of nodes here, a bunch of other responses. So we'll just copy and paste these. Copy, paste. Make link. And then we'll just make these all tomorrow versions. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Put it on my list for tomorrow. Oh, wait. Oh, this is annoying. If they're checking out tomorrow, they can't do it. Maybe I just don't even give you the option. Like, I'll take away that option. I'll say, no, oh crap. This makes it so complicated. I'll try and do it tomorrow. That sounds interesting. Maybe I can do that tomorrow. I'll check that out tomorrow. Oh, wow. I'll make sure to go there tomorrow. That can be fun. Possibly tomorrow. Though. Okay. Complicated. Just make it so that everything does a single thing. No big ass functions. Do multiple things. Of course you can't. If you can't, you can't. Document things that are hard or complex so you know how it works in the future. You can write minimal documentation like explain the parameters, return type at least. Anything else, just make it on the way it makes sense for you so you can find your way in it later. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes total sense. All right, so what is this called? Generic response, post hotspot suggestion. I could do a bunch more checks like, have I done this one already? Oh, I don't want to do that again. But that's too complicated. It can get way too complicated. We're just going to say thank you and move on with our lives. Oops. There we go. Okay. I should test this, but I'm not going to. I guarantee that it works. I guarantee it. Do I have a button? I wonder. All right, what's next? What's next? Let's look at a list. I might do a build and just play. Let's try it. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a build and play. Also, let me make sure my version numbers. Yep, it's 10. What's today's date? 4. Wow, I haven't done a build in 26 days. That's a lot. I wonder if I should like record the footage too. Maybe cut it into the trailer real quick. Not sure when I'm going to be able to cut a new trailer. I love how fast Unity builds this. I remember Unreal builds taking a very, very long time. It's possible that Unreal could be quicker too. I don't remember. Oh yeah, it was the shader compilation. Oh my god, it would take ages. Speaking of, the progress bar went backwards. A progress bar that goes backwards is not a very good progress bar. All right, let's play. Whoa. So already we are getting bugs. So I have my monitor is not 1920 by 1080. It is 1920 by 1200. It's 1610 aspect ratio. And I've been trying my best to just make it work for both. Also, this white outline around the logo is horrific. I have to fix that, and I know what to do. It's like filling in white on the alphas, but it should be filling in black. All right, so let's take some notes. Let's do a little playthrough session. Create new note. Play through 04 26 2024. How do I call these? No, 24 26 04 26. Okay. Alpine Lake logo. Doesn't work for 16. 10. New game. Let's just make sure I fixed that one bug. Some of the clothing items didn't work. All right, these all look good. There's the shoes. Well, ooh, wait. No, that's right. It is a white shoe. He's wearing Crocs. Black, yellow, orange, pink, purple, red, sky blue, white, green, another kind of blue, brown, and a third kind of blue. I have 3 kinds of blue. I need to fix this. Was the background leakage between the selected buttons and the white outline intended? Oh, which part? And the white outline intended. Oh, you mean like... like this little sliver in here? Yeah, no, not really. It's just the curvature of this button doesn't always match the curvature of the highlighter. I kind of just wing it most of the time. Because the curvature of the selection icon, like the white outline, it's always locked in the same. But sometimes I'll adjust the button curvature just based on, I'm just eyeballing it. So yeah, it doesn't always work. Oh, weird. Weird. If I click it, why does that happen? If I click it, it's fine. If I click it when it's not centered, then instead of setting it, oh, it's because we were in keyboard selection mode. Got it. Okay, that's very confusing. All right, whatever. All right, let's just finish. Maybe you should make an entire white box that sits behind. It's not a bad idea. It would... It gets complicated because it has to live in front of the button, in front of the background, but behind the buttons. So I'd have to like manage... I'd have to manage that a lot, which is not that terrible. Yeah, that's a good suggestion though. Or I should just dig in and give it a more, like a thicker, outline, so it looks intentional. Woober, how's it going? Welcome in. All right, let's actually pause the music because we got music. Oh, I need to talk to that guy. Oh yeah, I need to set all those spawn directions. Set spawn directions and warp locations. I need to remove fast forwarding of time. Or make it a checkbox. Gear glass! With the add me to the alpha. Look at that. So, if anyone else was curious, Gear Glass just redeemed add me to the alpha. That means Gear Glass gets a key. And if anyone else wants a key, just let me know using that channel redeem. And pop into the Discord so I can send it to you. I'm assuming that's you. Okay, cool. There you go. And then I'm going to add you to there's a secret channel where we've been chatting. And if you have any like issues, it's the place to put it. Let me put you in the secret alpha channel. No, thank you. Thank you. I mean, I say this a lot. Anyone willing to play an unfinished game, that's really kind of you, and to give feedback is even kinder. Yeah, it's a Steam key. Is it lagging? I feel like it's lagging. This does not look smooth. Yeah, it's definitely lagging. I wonder if it's also because OBS and the streaming thing. I hope so. Ooh, I forgot. I redesigned Carlos. He looks way better. So I'm gonna skip all this text. Wacky arm guy. Yeah, he looks better too. I'm speed running it. She looks, I liked her actually better. I changed her hair, but I like her hair better before. I might change it back. Yeah, Melissa doesn't have a exclamation mark. I don't know why that keeps happening. Oh, wait. All right, it's still counted. Oh yeah, we're also not getting quest update notifications. Weird. Also, you can't not pet the dog. Oh God, he's stuck. Why is he stuck? He just got stuck here all day. Oh, Jeff got stuck. Uh, pathway right outside the inn. Weird. Jules's thank you letter is sent immediately and should really be sent the next day. Yeah, that's a thing. I just don't despawn it. I don't know. It's on every list. I just never feel like doing it. Despawn equipped item on bike. I'm never gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's on the list, but I'm not doing it. I already know. Wall decoration needs sound effect. Wall placement. Wall building. Screw safety measurements. Yeah. Wall and door building. All right, so we got 3 rooms. 1, 2. This one's a private room. I'll put my sleeping bag in the private room. Okay, and now where do I go? Oh, wait. Might as well do this too. Let's see. Watering can needs Sound effects on use, as do most items. All right, so I gotta find birch, plant sunflowers, visit Jules, go to Carlos. All right, this is just returning to everyone. Maybe remove a bit more stamina while planting. I'm already almost dead. Look at that. I can only do a few more things. I need at least enough stamina to do all this stuff in one day. It's possible I have too much. It's possible time goes too slowly. I slowed it down a lot. Follow me. I got the dog. It's possible I slowed it down too much. It's pretty solid though. Yeah, this is so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Make interior conversations only rotate inward toward the center of the room. Also, Carlos, player dialogue option is too long and overflowing the button. Oh, it just gave us so much stuff. Let's shop. We need a table saw and a grinder and a smelter. Do we need a smelter? Yeah. And I want a hot tub and a broom. Okay. I need like nighttime music. Ooh. Look at that terrible shader. Oh, I hate the water shader. Why is it always have to be terrible? Water shader creates a bad outline around objects. Does it put here? It does. All right, what else? Visit Oriole. Oh, he was already out. See, instead of using the bike, I just fast forward time. It's way more efficient. Oh, yeah, that's bad. Make sure both welcome desk and sign are placed before finishing quest. Really stupid. Oh, the birds didn't stop. Birds and crickets were going at the same time. That's no good. Yes, it's like my favorite song. I haven't played my own game in a while. Is it like stupid or egotistical or sociopathic to just say I like it? Like I kind of like it. Not sick of it yet. You found the dog. You're playing right now? You're playing with me? That's great. All right, what do I want to do? I want to go to visit. Ooh, we got Dale. Oh, I don't have a bed yet. Is Stella coming too? I know Stella's coming too, so I might as well stay here. But if I was a new player, I'd just run off. That hot tub. Did you know you can use all the decorations in the game? And you jump in the hot tub with your clothes on. He's enjoying it. That's a nice little smile. Look at that. From far away, it doesn't look like joy, but... Oh, it needs mip mapping too. Okay. Excuse me. The emote faces need mip mapping. Along with the thought cloud bubble. Where's Stella? She should be here. Oh, wait. All right, there she is. All right. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, God, it's so buzzy. Oh, it's Jarf. I forgot I put him in the game. I haven't even tested all the quests that I put together because of him. I wouldn't waste time opening up that inn if I were you. I haven't tested this. I might as well read it and test it. New task, mean guys. Oh my God, I forgot. Mean guys, ask Eugene if he knows who Jarf is. I have too many quests piling up. Ooh, he doesn't show it. Okay. Mean guys doesn't show up as a dialogue option with Eugene. It's a good thing I tested this. Jesus. What is wrong with me? Expand in. Can't do it yet. Complete Dale's visit. Visit Melissa. There we go. Okay, now I can test the suggestions. So I can say to her, "Hey, can I make a recommendation? Go to Melissa's diner. That sounds fun." She's not going to do it right now because she's already doing something. Oh, I have too many quests. Urban Escape. What does she even want? I don't know. Go visit Paul. All right, come on, dog. We're going on a hike. Follow me. You should make a separate menu for quests and make it so you only see 3 at a time. I do actually have that. Yeah, I don't limit it. I make it so you can see all of them. I should. Limit trackable quests to 3. Okay. Oh, look at that. She's going. Okay, it's working. I suggested that she should go to Melissa's diner, and she's going to Melissa's diner. What's she gonna do? Ooh, I never actually tested Melissa's diner. I don't know where she's gonna go or where she's gonna sit. Let's see. I hope she sits in the restaurant. That would be cool. She's supposed to sit in the restaurant. Let's follow her. She goes in. Look at that. Oh my God, she's going in. This is unseen, untested. She sits at the diner. She sits at the. She's floating a little. All right, all right. She sits. Stalker alarm. Yeah. Hey there. How are you? Always looking for a good story. Good for you. Give her food. All right. That's a win. I never tested that. All right. Time goes too slow. Where's Dale? What's he doing? Machete. Machete item is, or icon is wrong. Jeff looks like me. What do you mean? Jeff's got a horseshoe balding pattern. I just have bald acid. See, if you go here, that's me. I'm even wearing that shirt. I'm wearing the same glasses. If you zoom in on it, see, they look the same. This character's throughout the game, just here to let you know that it's not finished yet. Okay, good. That's gone. Do it. Do it button for biome area is visible. Oh wait, I gotta go visit Paul. I might as well keep going. It didn't play the. It didn't play it. Ah. Also, this pond is too big. The pond is too big. I need the pond is too big. What up, Pep? Oh my God, what's happening? Oh, I never visited the cave. I forgot to visit the cave. I'm not gonna make it. Oh, I don't want to talk to you. No, I don't want to talk to you. Steal some roses. Swarm of weasels. How's it going? Is the pond too big or does it just take too long to get past? Well, It's too big because I want to see it. And when I run around it, I only ever see the edge of it. I never see the whole pond. All right, we'll put the dog bed right next to my bed. Hot tub in the rain. You enjoy yourself. All right. What do we do now? Go back to Jeff. What time is it? 6:40. He should be strolling through. There he is. Cool. Ask Eugene if he knows who Jarf is. Ah, I can't believe I messed that one up. What does he say now? Chat. Nothing. Let's see. What do I need to do? Yeah, I guess it's just about... Oh, I need to suggest more people to go to Melissa's Diner. Where are they? Oh, they're just running around. Dale, can I make a recommendation? Go to Melissa's Diner. Oh, he did it immediately. Oh, that felt good. That's the instant